everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to tell you how to activate mobile hotspot in your device Xiaomi POCO M5s. So if you want active hotspot in your device Xiaomi POCO M5s, you can have it by following the few steps and tips which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can activate mobile hotspot in your device.